Hey everyone, for this video we're going to focus on circles. We're going to learn two different things. One is the parts of a circle, and number two is finding missing lengths. So the first part is parts of a circle. The first piece is a center point. It is the point in the center of a circle that is equal distance from all points on the circle. The second part is a chord. It is a line segment connecting any 2 points on a circle. A chord may or may not go through the center, and the diameter is the longest chord. The radius is a line segment joining the center of a circle to any point on the circle. You can find the diameter and circumference by doing radius times 2 for the diameter and radius times 6 for the circumference. The diameter is a chord that goes through the center of a circle. You can use the diameter to find the radius and circumference of a circle. Diameter divided by 2 will give you the radius, and diameter times 3 will give you the circumference. And the last part is the circumference. It is the distance around or the perimeter of a circle. You can find the radius and diameter by dividing. The circumference divided by 6 will give you the radius, and the circumference divided by 3 will give you the diameter. So what if I'm missing lengths? I'm given a circle in this example, and the radius is 7. I need to find the diameter and the circumference. I know that the radius is half the diameter, or I can do 2 times the radius to give me the diameter. So 2 times 7 will give me 14. And in order to find the circumference, I know it is 6 times the radius, so I have to do 6 times 7, and it's going to give me 42. Now, what if I'm given the diameter of a circle? In this case, the diameter is 24. Since the radius is half the diameter, we do the diameter, which is 24, divided by 2, and that gives us 12. The circumference is 3 times the diameter. So we have to do 3 times 24, and it's going to give us 72. And lastly, if we are given the circumference, we're going to have to divide to get the radius and diameter. In order to find the radius, we have to do 48 divided by 6, which is going to give us 8. You can solve for the diameter 2 different ways. You can either double the radius or do the radius times 2, or do the circumference divided by 3. I did 48 divided by 3, and it's going to give me 16. If I chose to do the radius times 2, 8 times 2 gives me 16, so we get the same answer.